Welcome to Pilot John International's training series, where we help you stay flight ready with innovative solutions. Today we're introducing ADS, or Aviation Design and Supply's Autopilot Installation Kits. These comprehensive hardware packages are designed to streamline your Garmin GFC 500 and GFC 600 installations. These all-in-one kits are meticulously crafted to enhance efficiency, ensure compliance, and save you hours of installation time. Traditional avionics installations often present significant challenges. Technicians spend valuable time sourcing best source hardware as listed in the OEM install manuals, managing extensive bench stock, and ensuring all components meet stringent compliance standards. These complexities can often lead to inefficiencies, increased labor costs, and delays in returning the aircraft to service, ultimately impacting customer satisfaction and your profitability. ADS addresses these challenges head-on with their Autopilot Installation Hardware Kits. Each kit is derived from the best source lists and Garmin installation addendums, ensuring you have all necessary hardware not included in the OEM kit. Designed for specific airframes, these kits support a wide range of aircraft, from light single-engine planes to high-performance turboprops and light jets. This airframe-specific approach eliminates guesswork, ensuring compatibility and streamlining the install process. By providing organized labeled bags and traceable components, these ADS kits reduce installation time, minimize errors, and enhance overall workflow efficiency. At Pilot John International, we're proud to offer ADS installation hardware kits. These solutions not only simplify your installations, but also elevate the quality and reliability of your work. Contact our team of knowledgeable aviation specialists today to learn more about how ADS kits can benefit your operations. Let us help you be ready for takeoff with premium products and expert service tailored to your needs.